Hi there, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps, and I am here to talk about a new product that we've got in. This is the Cosmic Shimmer Metallic Gilding Polish, which is absolutely lush stuff. It's sort of has a creamy consistency, and it's got a great little sponge applicator in the top. Okay, so you can use that to blend. So I'm going to show you the colour range that we've got in at the moment. And the great thing about this is that it actually goes onto black card and onto white card. And as you can see here, you can also stamp with it. It's a water-based paste, and the coverage is amazing. It even works on MDF, which I will show you at some point. So I'm just going to go through the colours. As I say, one's on white, one's on black card, so you can see how good the coverage is on them. That beautiful turquoise, we've got a silver, we've got a gorgeous green, we've got a lovely gold. I hope you can get that lovely metallic shimmer that's going on here. They look absolutely beautiful. And you can also paint with these as well. It's because they're water-based, you can mix them with a little bit of water. And if you wanted to change the colour, they all blend together to give you the sort of desired colour that you might choose. And we're just down to the last few here now. And that purple, whoa, look at that purple. Okay, so I'm going to pop those to the side, and I just want to show you what the coverage is like. So taking that off and then just popping that applicator out the lid, I'm going to take some onto my sponge, and then all I'm going to do is blend that to the side. Make sure it's nice and even on my sponge, and then I'm going to go across the card. Oops. And you can see how well that covers. Okay, I'm going to do the same on the white card. So just blend it on your mat, and then we're going to just cover that like so. Now, depending on the kind of coverage that you want, I've gone back over this again just to make it more of a solid colour. So you can do that too. But wait until it's completely dry. Okay, so that's what's really important. Wait till it's dry and then put your second layer on, and you'll get more of a solid colour from it. So I'm going to just pop those to the side. When you're storing these Cosmic Shimmer polishes, it's really important because they are water-based. They can dry up at some point, so don't leave the lid off continuously. If you go back to use them a little bit later on, just spritz with a bit of water and on the sponge. Okay, pop it back into the lid and just screw that on, and then just store that, and then when you go back to it the next time, it will make sure that that consistency stays really creamy. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe that up, and as I say, it's water-based, so it's nice and easy to clean up as well. The other really good thing the metallic gilding polish is good for is the coverage of MDF. Something that I've always struggled with, having to primer your MDF first with a white before colouring it. The coverage with this is really quite good. So I'll show you now. So again, I'm just going to pop the applicator out and then just take some of this polish I'm going to pop it onto the mat, blend it up, and then I'm going to just take that over the top. Now look at that coverage on that. I think that's great for any MDF projects. You know, if you want to do something quickly. So that's another really good thing this stuff's for. Okay, so remembering, just spritz when you've finished, keep it wet, and then it won't dry out. So the other good thing the polish is for is also stamping. I've got a stamp here that I did try earlier. I'm going to use this one. This one is the Golden Olive, which I think is another fabulous colour. So take the lid off. I'm going to pop that out. Pick up some of that lovely colour. I'm going to work it on my mat first. And then all I'm going to do is pop that over the top of the stamp. Just tap on over the top. Now remembering that this is water-based, so it will dry quite quickly. So we need to act on it pretty quick. So stamp it down. I'm using black card, but it can also be stamped onto white card too. And let's see what we've got. Look at that. And it's got all that detail as well. How fabulous is that? Be great for snowflakes, great for Christmas. So something else that you can do is also paint with it using the pink. I've got some water here, and all I'm going to do is using the brush, just pick up some of that gorgeous colour. I'm going to work it on my mat first. You can use the water just to spritz it, make it a little bit thinner. And look at that. So you can paint anything that you want using this. And then just pop your paintbrush in some water to clean it, because it's a water-based paste. I just wanted to show you how versatile these products are and what fabulous colours they are. Hope you enjoy using them as much as I have. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.